even through phishing attacks trying to access the internal environment, if you can disrupt your identity infrastructure, which we've seen is possible.
Now the front door, I guess, is identity, isn't it? You go after that. I guess in a sense, you could shut the whole place down, right?
Yeah, if you can get to Okta, we also saw with Microsoft. A lot of their authentication system getting to email was targeted as well. So instead of breaking through the firewall in the old days, or even through phishing attacks trying to access the internal environment, if you can disrupt your identity infrastructure, which we've seen is possible.
Right.
I think most of us thought Okta is pretty heavily used, and most of us thought that it was an extremely trusted product. But as we've seen with that, as well as with password managers that have been breached multiple times, nothing cannot be attacked, and therefore resilience and double downing on resilience. What I'm saying is, especially customers who've been hit by ransomware, which I think is now 1 in 4, they're doing resilience exercises every single quarter, not just once a year. And I think as the regulation is starting to catch up around the zero trust architecture, we're going to see even more regulation around resilience around IAM infrastructure, because they're realizing that the attacks are growing.